This is why you need low-carb, high-protein blueberry muffins in your keto life. Let's get baking. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of almond flour, a 1/4 cup of protein powder, and 2 tablespoons of erythritol. Add a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Now, in a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Slowly fold the wet ingredients into the dry mixture until well combined. Gently fold in 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries. Divide the batter evenly into a muffin tin lined with paper cups. Bake for 20-25 minutes or until golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. And there you have it, delicious keto-friendly blueberry muffins that are low in carbs but high in protein. Perfect for a quick breakfast or snack on the go. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty keto recipes. Happy baking!